EDC stands for Everyday Carry, and it refers to the essential gear that you carry with you on a daily basis. These items can help you stay organized, productive, and safe no matter where you go. In this video, we'll be covering a variety of EDC gear from wallets and flashlights to multi-tools and power banks. We'll also be giving you some tips on how to choose the right EDC gear for your needs. So, whether you are just starting out with EDC or you are looking to upgrade your current gear, this video is for you. Introducing the Thyrm Pyro Vault lighter, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. Crafted with dual-wall, dual-color exoskeletal construction, this rugged armor offers battlefield-grade protection against water, dust, and dirt. And the best part, it's compatible with various Zippo inserts, making it versatile and ready to fuel your fire. With an easy one-handed operation, thanks to the stainless torsion spring and axle, the PyroVault ensures quick and hassle-free ignition. Plus, it comes with a genuine Tinder-quick fire starter, ensuring you are always prepared for any situation. Not just a simple lighter case, the PyroVault boasts a full gasket seal to prevent fuel evaporation, ensuring your lighter is ever ready. And with a full-size lanyard hole, you can keep it close and secure wherever your journey takes you. Tap into the world of preparedness with the Leatherman Rapture Rescue, a medical rescue tool designed to handle any emergency with ease. This multi-tool powerhouse comes armed with 6 essential features, including folding emergency response shears, a strap cutter, a ring cutter, a ruler, an oxygen tank wrench, and a carbide glass breaker. Whether you need it on your belt or MOLLE gear, the Rapture Rescue has you covered with its belt-friendly utility or MOLLE-compatible style. Its specially designed sheath allows you to carry it open or closed, ensuring you're always ready for action. Don't worry about durability either, as the Rapture Rescue is backed by the Leatherman's 25-year warranty, providing it's built to last. And with a convenient pocket clip or integrated lanyard hole, it will always be your side. Ready to discover a multi-tool that will revolutionize your daily adventures? Say hello to the CIVIVI Polymorph, a compact powerhouse that will make life a breeze. Crafted with top-notch materials, this tool boasts a titanium carabiner, a heavy-duty blade, and a steel screwdriver. Plus, it comes with 3 extra replacement blades, ensuring you are always ready to tackle any cutting task. Versatility is its middle name. From being a reliable knife to a trusty screwdriver and bottle opener, the Polymorph has you covered. The rotating screwdriver head allows for easy swapping of screwdriver bits, no more fumbling around. Compact and lightweight, the Polymorph is your perfect EDC companion. Slide it onto your keys, slip it in your pocket, or stash it in your pack. It's always ready for action. Discover the ultimate tactical pen that's built to endure. Introducing the Tactical Pen. Crafted with precision from aircraft-grade aluminum, this pen is a perfect blend of durability and feather lightweight. With a powerful flashlight boosting a long battery life, emergencies won't catch you off guard. The sharp self-defense tip is your ally in dangerous situations, and the loud whistle comes to the rescue as a life-saving thing. Grab it and feel the confidence. The Tactical Pen's unique thread design ensures a firm hold, no slipping. And when it comes to riding, it glides smoothly, making it your everyday companion. Tactical Sling Bag, your ultimate compact and rugged everyday carry companion. Crafted from weather-resistant nylon, this bag is ready to take on any adventure with you. With spacious compartments and an internal organization pockets, it keeps your gear tidy and easily accessible through the dual zipper design. The Tactical Sling Bag is a concealed carry dream. It features a padded back pocket providing a secure spot for your small handguns while ensuring comfort and breathability with the upgraded back mesh padding. With room for your flashlight, pistol, mags, and other EDC essentials, you are always prepared. Whether you are on the go, hiking, camping, biking, fishing, or hunting, this compact shoulder bag has got your back. Ditch the heavy backpack and carry smaller items like your wallet, phone keys, snacks, water bottle, sunglasses, and notebook with ease. Get ready to upgrade your wallet game with the Ekster carbon fiber card holder, the epitome of style and functionality. Crafted from durable 3K carbon fiber, this wallet exudes a sleek and modern vibe. But that's not all. It's equipped with a patented card ejection mechanism that lets you effortlessly pop out your cards with a simple touch of a button. Worried about wireless theft? Fear not. The Ekster carbon fiber card holder has your back with its RFID blocking feature, ensuring your personal information stays safe and secure. With its slim design, it's a perfect fit for your front pocket or bag, sans any bulk. Don't let its minimal size fool you. It can hold up to 12 cards plus cash, keeping you organized and efficient. Finally, we have Nitecore Power Bank, your ultimate solution for portable power on the go. Say goodbye to the low battery anxiety with its massive 10,000 mAh capacity, capable of charging your phone, tablet or other devices multiple times. This stylish power bank boasts dual USB ports, ensuring you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, and with Quick Charge 3.0 support, your devices will be juiced up to 4 times faster than traditional power banks. Worried about sudden rain or splashes? Fear not. The Nitecore is IPX5 water resistant, keeping it safe from unexpected downpours. And the best part, safety is a priority. The built-in protection features prevent overcharging, over-discharging and short-circuiting, keeping your devices safe. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through the realm of EDC gear and gadgets. Remember to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech and gadget explorations. Stay ahead of the curve and stay tuned for more innovative discoveries to elevate your tech-savvy lifestyle. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep embracing the wonders of modern technology.